Hey, Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And today I'm going to try these Sharper Image Active Fit wireless earbuds because my Travelocities now have given up the ghost. The switch on this has failed, so now I can't get it shut off and charge. It'll charge, but I can't get it to connect. So that's the end of those. I only paid $5, I think, for these. For those, these are a little more expensive. These were 20 bucks. So we're gonna try these today. See, I do when I do my lawn, I usually put a set of ear suppressors on, and usually I have the earbuds underneath those, so I don't have to so I'm able to listen to my music while I'm doing the lawn. How the heck do you open the box? Oh, box is kicking my butt. So I guess all else fails. Oh, maybe that's why. I go through the bottom. Yeah, that would have been easier. Alright, there you go. I have a favorite color, turquoise. These are a little bit bigger than the Travelocities as far as plugs, but it's a whole different scenario. That's it. These are what you got. I better gotta plug them in first. Huh? I think so. So I'm not gonna be able to use them right away. See how they plug. All your little buttons, one right there. You're on and on. The whole thing clicks there. Those are what we got here. Okay. Top bottom button. This one here. 1 and 2, which is power. Long press. Power off. Power on. Quick press, play, which means you can move your media forward or backwards. Another quick press, answer and end phone calls. 2, gonna have LED light. 3 is the USB cable. So it's a charging port. It's right in here. See how hard that is to get to. Okay, just come across here, and it pulls out. Okay, see if it comes with one. I don't even know if it comes with one. Come with the charging. Doesn't come with a charging. Comes with earphones. Oh yeah, it did. There it is. Alright. Slipped out from underneath my hands here, so yes, it has a charger. What we got going here? 6 is the microphone. 6, little microphone right there. So these two buttons, 4 and 5, the inside here. One's long press, skip to the next track. Quick press, decrease the volume. So those are your volume, as well as your quick change to the next speed. And let's plug your butt in here. So I'm going to use these today, I guess. Let's see, these plug in. Okay. Plugged in, and it turns red. It's a little different makeup. You get a little thing here that you can take up the slack. Take up your slack. We'll try those because I was used to the travel velocity, which was this whole thing around my neck, and it, not necessarily did you not be able to forget that it was there, but it did stick to the back of your neck. So this here, everything's built into the earbud themselves. Alright, so let's see, how long is it going to charge? There's the earbuds and a USB cable. Turn the earbuds, USB. Let's see. Okay, make sure you charge your earbuds for up to 4 hours. 4 hours before your first use. Okay. So I'm getting it hooked up. The Bluetooth is enabled. Set your, let's see, okay, when you start it up, when you start up pairing the earbuds, long press on the power button, a voice will be heard indicating that the headphones have powered up. The LED indicator will quickly flash red and blue. Set your Bluetooth enabled device. Search for the Bluetooth device. When the Bluetooth enabled device finds the headphones, select the SBT 528 from the list of found devices. After a successful pairing, a voice will be heard indicating the device is paired. The LED indicator will slowly flash blue. Sweet. Just mainly like both of them, or the rest of them. To turn off earbuds, one long press on the power button to turn off. Long press on the power button again. Answering phone calls. Press incoming calls. Quickly press the button. To end a call, quickly press the power button. Yeah. Okay. So, and of course, if you want to skip songs and stuff like that, you press the power button for music. And looks like that's about it. So, there we go. Those are the Sharper Image Bluetooth earbuds. So, Sharper Image makes a lot of things. I didn't even realize they we bought some remote controlled cars for the kids, and they're on the Sharper Image too. So not only earbuds, but they also make RC cars. And that's the next thing, is just to figure out what your little earbuds work for me. Here they go. Put these on, figure out which ones fit. Any big ones, super small ones. So, and then let's see. tells me right now. Yeah. It looks like they can only go one way. Disconnect it real quick. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Take up. There you go. I'm gonna like that. But over my ear. How do I look? Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you're using them. Definitely subscribe and share. We'll catch you on the next. I just bought them.